If your lawn is overgrown with weeds or has bare spots that account for more than half of your lawn, you may need to remove the grass so you can start over. There are 4 main ways to remove it. Let's explore your options. Before you start, check for any HOA restrictions. If you have an irrigation system, mark sprinkler heads and pipes. Then call 811 to locate underground utilities before digging. Using a non-selective post-emergent herbicide is a quick way to kill grass. Follow all label instructions and apply it to actively growing grass and wait 7 to 10 days. You might need multiple applications for tough lawns. Rain can wash away the herbicide before it fully kills the grass, requiring you to apply more of the chemical to finish the job. Rain can also cause chemical runoff. For a chemical-free approach, dig up the lawn using a sod cutter or tiller. This provides immediate results, but requires significant effort and may expose weed seeds. Be careful not to remove too much topsoil. Solarization uses the sun's heat to kill the grass. Mow the lawn short, water it, then cover with clear plastic for 6 to 8 weeks during hot, sunny weather. This method is effective but slow and weather-dependent. Smothering involves covering the lawn with layers of newspaper or cardboard topped with mulch. Over about 2 months, the grass dies and composts in place, enriching the soil. This method is low effort, but takes time and isn't ideal for sloping lawns. After removing your lawn, test the soil and amend it as needed before applying grass seed or adding sod.